Imagine a world where humans walk the surface of Mars, building the first city beyond Earth. Welcome to this fascinating journey, where we delve deep into the red planet realities. Today, we stand on the brink of a new era, an era where the dream of colonization transforms into a tangible reality. Let's start at the beginning. Mars, our celestial neighbor, is not just around the corner. The journey to Mars is a daunting one, stretching over 35 million miles. That's equivalent to circling the Earth nearly 1,400 times. Every voyage begins with a single step, or in this case, a monumental leap. The leap from our home planet, across the vast expanse of the cosmos, to the rusty red terrain of Mars. This journey is not a Sunday drive. It's a colossal voyage through the vacuum of space that could span several months. Such a voyage poses immense challenges, not the least of which is the development of a spacecraft capable of ferrying humans safely through the rigors of space travel. Picture this: a spacecraft that not only has to endure the harsh conditions of space, but also ensure the safety and well-being of its human cargo. To shed more light on this, we have with us a space engineer, an expert who grapples with these challenges on a daily basis. He shares, "One of the biggest hurdles we face today is evolving our spacecraft to endure the journey to Mars. It's not just about reaching Mars, but reaching there with our crew, safe, sound, and ready to face the challenges that await them." The journey to Mars is not for the faint-hearted. It's a testament to human courage, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. It's a journey that pushes the boundaries of what's possible, transforming science fiction into science fact. So, as we stand at the threshold of this grand adventure, remember this: we're not just talking about a short trip. We're talking about a journey that could take several months, a journey that will redefine humanity's place in the cosmos. Once on Mars, the real work begins. The Martian surface is a hostile environment for human life. Temperatures can drop to a chilling -80 degrees Celsius at night, and the thin atmosphere offers little protection from the sun's harmful radiation. Martian gravity is just about a third of Earth's, and the air is primarily carbon dioxide, which is unbreathable for humans. But don't pack up your spacesuits just yet. Scientists and engineers are coming up with innovative solutions to these challenges, turning science fiction into scientific fact. One of the most exciting developments is in the field of 3D printing. Picture this: a spacecraft lands on Mars carrying a 3D printer. It scoops up Martian soil, known as regolith, and feeds it into the printer. Layer by layer, the printer constructs a dome-shaped habitat, providing a secure and comfortable living space for astronauts. This method of building habitats is not only economical, but it also reduces the amount of material that needs to be transported from Earth. But what about radiation and temperature control? Well, we might need to look below the surface for the answer. Underground habitats, burrowed into the Martian soil, could provide natural radiation shielding and help maintain a stable temperature. These subterranean dwellings might seem a bit claustrophobic, but they could be our best bet for long-term survival on Mars. Inside these habitats, life support systems would recycle air and water, and hydroponic gardens could provide fresh food. Astronauts would live, work, and conduct research in these habitats, contributing to our understanding of Mars and paving the way for future colonists. But with innovative solutions like 3D printed habitats and underground living spaces, we're turning the red planet into a second home. The challenges are immense, but the spirit of exploration and the drive to expand our horizons are even greater. As we continue to innovate and adapt, the dream of a human city on Mars becomes less of a distant fantasy and more of a tangible goal. Mars, here we come. Of course, no colonization effort would be complete without addressing the social and psychological aspects of living on Mars. As we journey further into the cosmos, we mustn't forget that we are, after all, humans. Our minds and bodies have been forged by Earth-specific conditions, and Mars is a world apart. Imagine, if you will, living in a place where you are always millions of miles away from everyone you have ever known. Imagine staring out of your habitat at an alien landscape, knowing that you are one of the very few people to ever set foot on this planet. This isolation, this confinement, is one of the greatest challenges of living on Mars. The distance from Earth isn't just a physical one, it's psychological, it's emotional. It's the understanding that help isn't just a phone call away, that your loved ones are far beyond reach, that you are truly alone in a way that no human has ever been before. And yet within this challenge lies the potential for extraordinary human adaptation and resilience. Humans have always been explorers, pushing the boundaries of what's possible, venturing into the unknown. We've braved the deepest oceans and the highest mountains on Earth, and now we're setting our sights on Mars. Let's hear from Dr. Jane Foster, a leading psychologist who specializes in space psychology. She says isolation, confinement, and the distance from Earth can have profound effects on the human psyche. We need to prepare astronauts for these challenges, equip them with the tools to maintain their mental health, and ensure they can support each other in this new environment. It's not just about surviving on Mars, it's about thriving. Indeed, as we look to the stars and dream of a future on Mars, we must remember that our greatest asset is our humanity. It's our ability to adapt, to overcome, to persevere. It's our shared dreams, our collective courage, and our relentless drive to explore. It's important to consider the mental well-being of future Martian residents. We're not just building a city on Mars, we're building a home for humanity. And that, my friends, is a challenge we're ready to face. Looking to the future, scientists are exploring the possibility of terraforming Mars. An audacious dream, isn't it? Terraforming, for those who might not be familiar with the term, is the hypothetical process of altering a planet's environment to make it habitable for life as we know it, essentially making it more Earth-like. Now let's break down the enormous challenge that terraforming Mars presents. Mars, as we know, is a cold, dry world with a thin atmosphere primarily composed of carbon dioxide, with no liquid water on its surface. To terraform Mars, we would need to thicken the atmosphere and raise the temperature, essentially creating a greenhouse effect, to allow water to exist in a liquid state. One proposed method to kickstart this transformation involves releasing greenhouse gases currently locked away in Mars's soil and polar ice caps. This could, in theory, start a warming cycle, melting more ice and releasing more gas, gradually building up the atmosphere. Another proposition is to construct immense mirrors in space to reflect sunlight onto Mars's surface, raising the temperature. A more radical idea involves redirecting asteroids or comets to crash into Mars, generating heat and releasing large amounts of water vapor. But let's not get carried away. Terraforming Mars is a task that would require resources and technology far beyond our current capabilities, not to mention the ethical considerations of altering an entire planet. However, the very idea of terraforming Mars fuels our imagination and pushes the boundaries of what we believe is possible. It invites us to envision a future where we are not just visitors on Mars, but permanent residents, living and thriving on a transformed red planet. Whether we achieve this in the next few centuries, or it remains forever a tantalizing concept, the pursuit of this dream will undoubtedly lead to innovations and discoveries that will benefit us all. Transforming its atmosphere and climate to make it more Earth-like, Mars could become our second home, a testament to human ingenuity and the indomitable spirit of exploration. With advancements in technology and a pioneering spirit, the dream of building humanity's first city on Mars is closer than ever before. Today, we've explored this remarkable journey, from the daunting trip across the cosmic ocean, through the vacuum of space, to the red, dusty plains of Mars. We've seen how engineers are developing cutting-edge technologies to construct habitats that can withstand the harsh Martian environment. These innovative solutions, like three-dimensional printed habitats and underground living spaces, are turning the red planet into a second home for humanity. We've also delved into the psychological challenges of living on Mars. Isolation, confinement, and the distance from Earth can have profound effects on the human psyche. It's a testament to our resilience and ingenuity that we're considering not just the physical, but the mental well-being of future Martian residents. And finally, we've gazed into the future, where scientists are exploring the possibility of terraforming Mars. This transformative process could make the Martian atmosphere and climate more Earth-like, making it even more feasible for humans to thrive on the red planet. But the journey doesn't end here. There's still so much to discover and understand about our neighboring planet and our place within the cosmos. That's why we invite you to join us on this exciting quest. If you've enjoyed this journey, we encourage you to like this video and share it with others. Let's spread the word about these incredible advancements and the next frontier in human exploration. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on our latest videos. The dream of building a city on Mars may seem distant, but with each passing day, we're getting closer to turning this dream into reality. So until our next journey, keep looking up, keep dreaming, and continue to marvel at the wonders of the universe. Until next time, keep looking up.